No. Fail. Something came out, but it wasn't very good.
Fuck yeah.
Damn.
Hey, do it again with 6 minutes. Back. Do it again with 6 skinny dirty bugs.
Oh, yes.
Do it again.
It just went into a competition, dude.
Okay.
Competition, go.
Oh,
I'm holding my mouth just in case fucking I do feel diabetic. Get all in my fucking tray. High five, dude. Yeah.
You just distracted you, dude. I'll gym next hour.
Oh, there's still more, it just won't come out. I have food stuck somewhere.
Look behind you. Look behind you.
I started laughing when I was about to burp. Dude, you guys are fucking distracting me from actually burping. Every time I'm like, look, start.
You need to play fire with me.
Zach's first.
Oh, I got it.
Did you get that one on video, David?
What is it?
Ah, my blood vessel.
Dude, I fucking have something stuck in my
Look behind you and do it.
Dude, you failed.
Alright, you can sit like this.
You can sit like this. I'm definitely not gonna chance that.
Do a huge one.
Damn.
A huge one. Try it.
Monitoring at 1:30.
That's horrible.
Dude, this is so bad. We're already be fucking sick till I bring you 6 hours.
Well, I don't know. We could go to junior hall. It's fucking ridiculous.
Make the loud noise.
I don't know. All I know is cross monitoring.
Oh, what the fuck?
I can't get caught.
Oh my gosh! It's supposed to be so much longer than that. It just stops. It fucking hurts.
Joe, make that loud
Ow!
What the fuck? It's so random. I can tell.
noise. Oh, you do the loud noise like this. Do the loud noise.
Oh my fucking gosh! It just stops. There's fucking something caught in my chest or something. His burps are so weak.
Joe, make that loud noise like. Yeah.
See, it just fucking stops.
Hold it in there for a while and it'll come out a lot bigger.
That's what I do. Like usually I